the Victory Store do-it-yourself oversized canvas art frame is the solution for your wall if you want to save 50%. Here's how it works. You're going to receive this tube from UPS. Inside the tube, first, instructions, and the instructions have this wonderful little QR code if you want to get to the YouTube video for instructions. Second is the actual art frame. We're going to show you how this snaps together momentarily, but it's very easy. Third is your print. And the print is beautiful. Printed on our G-clay printers. And of course, you can see this is my family, because we took this photograph with an iPhone. We loved it, and so we decided our kids need this extra large print on their wall. Okay, it's been less than 10 minutes. The whole frame snapped together, and because we use this sturdy, lightweight material, it hangs very nicely. And you can see this great oversized image of my family, but you send the photos that you take from your iPhone or whatever, and you can hang it up on your wall. We'll show you that next. So there it is. This is the 3-foot by 4-foot option, and it's custom. You can upload your own photos, but we also have non-custom options like this. And this is a smaller size, a medium-sized 2-foot by 3-foot. And you'll find in our store that we have these stock options. And then our largest size is the 30-inch by 60-inch. So 30 inches by 60 inches. So this is a perfect size to go above a couch or on a large wall space that you may want to fill. And this is also one of our stock non-custom options that we offer on our website.